Hello, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we're going to learn how to manage your price quotes. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Price Quotes. This is your price quote dashboard. By the way, the price quotes you'll see here by default will be from the last 30 days only. So click this drop down to select a period. If you have a lot of price quotes, you can use the filter tool over here to easily find price quotes you're looking for, like that, for example. And to manage a price quote, click on the three dot button here, and you'll have options to edit it, view it as an invoice if applicable, share it, print it, download it as PDF, duplicate it, mark it as accepted, convert it to invoice if applicable. By the way, you can only convert it to invoice once the customer or the recipient formally accepts it on the email they received. And then this is also where you can find the option to delete it. So go ahead and manage your selected price quote according to the available options here. And that's it. Hope you found this video of help. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.